Hi guys, welcome to Only Man Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover chapter wise some important questions. Okay, so today we are going to discuss chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry of class 10th. We'll discuss all the sums, but in this video I am going to cover one or two sums. In the next video we are going to cover almost all the sums. Okay, now see the first question, guys. One more question. Find the distance of the point minus 3 comma 4 from the x-axis. Find the distance of the point minus 3 comma 4 from the x-axis. Okay, first take down what is given in the question. Take down the given point, that is A, put it as A minus 3 comma 4 from x-axis. So x-axis means we have only x information but not y information. Yes or no? So that can be written as x comma 0, guys. But already in the given point, in the given, we have minus 3, right? So that is x value. So we can write like that. In place of x, we can replace by minus 3 and 4. 4, that is y value. We don't consider y value because they gave x axis. Okay. Now take it as b coordinate. Now using a distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So take down these coordinates. A, that is minus 3 comma 4, and B minus 3 comma 0, and simplify. So what we get, guys? We get root 16, that is plus or minus 4. So distance cannot be negative, right? So distance will be always positive. So we'll consider only the positive value, that is, therefore we get 4, guys. We get minus 4 and 4, but we don't consider negative value. Therefore the required distance of minus 3 comma 4 from x-axis is 4 units. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.